Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset password in FreshBooks. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you create an account in FreshBooks? It's pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. And in the search bar, type freshbooks.com. Once you do that, it's going to walk you right into the official website of FreshBooks. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to reset password in FreshBooks. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your profile icon in there. So go ahead and click on that. Now you have these extended options, which include account profile, billing and upgrade. You have add-ons, you have refer friend, and you have logout. So go ahead and click on account and profile. Now over here you have a couple of categories: your first name, your last name, your email address, and then you have password. So SSO password. So if you want to reset, go ahead and click on change password. And once you click on change password, enter your new password in this communication box and confirm your new password. So whatever you added in this text box, go ahead and repeat it. Just copy and paste in this confirm new password. And once you do that, head over and click on save changes, and your password will be reset to the new password that you changed it to. Okay, so let's go over that again. So go ahead and click on account profile, head over to password. Let's say I want to cancel this now, so go ahead and click on change password, enter your new password, ensure that the password is strong enough. So use a strong password. You can use Google recommended, anyone. And once you add your new password, copy the same password and just confirm new password and click on save changes. Now you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.